Oh my God, dude. Woo! Jesus Christ. Anyway, guys, hello there. Welcome back. Last week was Frozen. This week, Blozen. We're about to get some treasure out here, guys. We're about to get the goods. Early in the morning over here with Bob the MFer. We are back at it again. He didn't do the glasses thing. And 1913, guys. Irvington Park, Newark, New Jersey. Beautiful spot. Vacations area. Spend your time here with your family. Relax with the beautiful water and the beach scenes. Anyway, guys, let's do this. Irvington Park, let's get these treasures. All right, guys. We got Titan 2.0. Look how fresh and clean. I cleaned it every time, dude. Look at those dents that we got from, what was that bridge? The spot? The Voodoo's place we went? Martha Stewart's hometown? Nutley. Yeah, look at those dents, dude. Oh my God. Anyway, we're about to toss this beast. See what we get on our first throw. Guys, are you ready? Irvington Park. Let's do it. 1, 2, 6. They're probably like, what are you doing?
New pants.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Nice.
Trying out a new pair. These are supposed to be water resistant. Not waterproof, water resistant.
Nice. Oh. Oh, there's stuff, Bob.
Bob, I'm out here.
Holy sh**. What is the whole bottom metal? There's something huge out there.
Yeah, there was a bike there last night.
First throw. Bottle caps, guys. We got bottle caps. Big throw time. I don't know what I got, dude. Woo, we got chain, guys. Look at that. Big lock, dude. You can't even get it off the thing. Woo. Look at that. American lock. Nice. You know what? I'm right here. I'm gonna dump it in the garbage, dude. Got batteries. Some kind of hook thing. Got pipes, guys. Oh, what do we got here? An ant's sense of smell is stronger than a dog's. Didn't need to know that, but that's awesome. Here. Oh, first bling of the day, guys. We got some bling. Oh, look at that gold, guys. Is that 14 or 1 million carats? Crap carrots, guys. Crap carrots. We got treasure. It's got some weight to it, too. Of course. What do we got? Let's see. We got some kind of pole thing. Big old pole. I'm gonna leave that here for now. We got no idea what that is, but it's gross. And batteries. How old is this battery, guys? Energizer. Ever ready Energizer. Well, that's been here for a bit, dude, this battery. Great. Finally. Yeah! Massive, dude. Massive. Look at this thing. Got us a scoot, guys. Whew. Look at this thing. Oh yeah. The day of the scoots, guys. Let's go for a ride. Brakes work? Oh yeah! Still working good too. I don't know what it is. Big old pipe. Look at that thing. And we got some training wheel brackets. Nice. And this thing. Woo! Giant pipe, guys. Look at the size of this thing. That thing was so far out there. That's a good 8-footer right there. What is this? We got soup and woo, Mitsubishi, dude.
Leave it around.
No lights? No lights coming on. Got a Mitsubishi key fob, guys. How cool is that? How do you drop your key fob? How does that happen? We got the soup can. Oh, feels nice. Oh, see something here. What do we got? What do we got? Oh, that's a keeper. Look at that, guys. Woo, let's see if it works. Nice. Ooh, it's a worker. Look at that, guys.
Oh, that's nice and nice.
Mm-hmm. A little.
That clean up nice.
Yep. Feels like I got some weight on this puppy right now. Oh, trifecta. What do we got? Got trim. We got what? Oh God, Bob, really? And we got murder pipe. Nice.
That's like your stomach drop of that. If it was, I was pushing it.
Oh crap. Oh, it's actually got some nice weight to it. Bob, you gotta take a seat. You got the find of the day.
No, I got my new pants on.
Oh, look at that. Got the Newark spoon, guys.
We're not Newark.
No?
Irvington.
And this could be the find of the day right here, Bob.
What's that?
Leaving it right here for you. Oh, it reeks. This thing stinks, guys. It's a nice seat. Got some weight. Finally. What do we got? What is that? Aha! I know what that is. It's a paddle. This looks like a paddle boat for the paddle boats that go like that. It's a paddle boat foot adapter and a mic stand holder. Nice. Garbage. And this, this I think is it's putting those little plastic boats and they paddle along. I believe that's what that is. Oh. What on earth? First of all, we got Big old pipe again. Little thin one. I don't know, red. What is this? It says Bosch on it. Made in, I don't know, Slovenia. No idea what it is. Yeah. Looks like it has electrical in it, so I don't know. It says Bosch. Interesting. What do we got here, guys? This feels heavy. We got something real interesting here. And very, very old. Holy crap. Manhole cover. Alright guys, we got this. Woo! Bob, that is heavy. Got that. Yeah, something else was down here. I saw that. A freaking manhole cover, guys. No way. No way, it's not. It's solid steel, iron. And look at this, guys. Holy, this is old. Dude. Wow. Woo! Look at this, guy. It's like from the 60s. Got your skateboard if you want it. This skateboard is like from the 50s. Bob, this is like an old one that like from the 50s and 60s.
They didn't have skateboards back then.
Yeah, they did. They started in like 1968, 1969. Guys,
Wow.
this is ancient.
That is.
It's like a
Which
straight.
is older, the roller skate? Put it next to the roller skate.
Damn. Ancient, guys, ancient.
Look at the wheels at the roller skate.
Pretty old too.
Remember that was like the 80s.
Now, if it was wooden wheels, that would be even worse. I just want to say, check this out. Kratos power, guys. Oh, heavy. Kratos power right there, guys. This thing's got to be 100 pounds, easy. Oh, it's not coming off. Not coming off. There you go. Woo! It's probably one of the heaviest lifts in a long time. One, two. It's a heavy one, Bob. Woo! What do we got here? Feels heavy. Bob gets get the garbage lid. I know where it's from, guys. I know where it's from.
Is that one missing one?
Yeah. Yeah, let's see. All right, let's see if this lid goes right here. Oh, and it does. You're welcome. Look at that. Doing our part. Heavy. Oh, dude. Dude, I've never seen a pitchfork before. That's a pitchfork or a big rake? Oh, what is a pitchfork for?
Oh, James!
Holy
Oh, James! Holy
that's an Bob.
shit, guys.
Guys, we got something coming out here. Oh my God, dude. Woo! Oh yeah. And that's been there for a bit, guys. Look at that. Another gun. Well, it's the bottom part. Oh. Yeah. Gonna keep it since it probably has no.
There is. It's going to be right here.
Oh, okay. I'm not military, so.
No, this is a Glock.
That's a Glock. Is that? Oh, dude, that's so cool.
That's why the top
That is so
and
cool.
the bottom isn't.
You mind if I record a little bit? Thanks, dude. Appreciate it. Dude, that is so sick. There's numbers on the How did I get on the magnet? The metal slide pieces or something? Damn, dude. Dude, look how green. Dude, that's Earth. Dude, Bob, I got a gun today. Dude, where the hell are we? What kind of wars was going over here?
Some more flyers.
Jeez. Kick me. Oh.
It wasn't a bomb.
Dude. Yeah, you probably want to hang out here for a bit. Bob, this is crazy.
Should I call New Jersey again?
We found a handgun, AK-47, a mortar round, maybe, yeah. Oh, so am I. Oh, channel locks, guys, and they are frozen. Basuresville. Guys, surface find. Surface find. Look at that. Oh.
I forgot what I caught already.
Oh. The giant reel, dude. Damn. Dude, look at the size of this thing.
How are they catching it?
Wow. Whew. I don't see any name on it or anything. Oh, right there. The SSSF 6000.
Iowa?
Right? Nice.
Alright, Dave, catching up.
Fishing pole. Alright guys, that wraps it up for our New Jersey escapades today. Bob did really good today. Kind of jealous of him. Just kidding. Bob is the man, guys.
Thank you, Dave.
He invites us out to New Jersey, and we always have a lot of fun. Even if we don't get a lot of cool stuff, still found a Glock today. Hopefully it was in the video. We found it for the police. Police were called in for something else that was found, and during the process, literally pull out a Glock handgun. Kind of crazy. And yeah, like and subscribe, and leave a comment. It actually does help out. If you don't comment or do anything, for some reason you get unsubscribed from it. But anyway, guys, check you later. Peace out.